I'll have to take my barrel cover off.
Yeah.
Take the kill. Is that the only one that got it?
You know what?
Oops.
Whoa. Hey, out.
Go there. Anybody down there?
Yeah. Is there?
No.
I should have unloaded on the ship from my 5 feet
They
away.
like to pop in and out of the door there.
There you go. Go right.
Bang! Bang!
Double out.
That's not double out. I banged you.
Bang too.
Alright.
Both out. Did he call himself out?
Yeah. Chris, I found the one that's shooting hot.
What?
Found the one who's shooting hot.
Oh.
He's in suicide.
Oh! What's up, Brandon?
This guy, move up. Move up. Move up. Cover. That ain't cool. What are we looking?
They're on the, see the other side of the hill with all the meshes?
Yeah.
They're back behind that.
They're there. There's one behind the pine tree over on the side by the GTS.
Alright, ready?
Yep. 3.
Who did your super plates? Get up there!
Right next to the hill, Dan. Right next to Suicide Alley.
There's one in the hill.
Yeah, I know. There's a guy right over by Jeep right there. Right there.
On it.
There we go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Pulling him back.
Yeah?
Yeah, hold on.
Go, go, go.
Hold your whole team back. Go. Move up, move up. And hold the ball back. Doesn't matter, we got the hill anyway. We have it!